Hello guys, welcome to AddToQuote. This is tutorial how to configure the app to work in your theme. So first of all, you need to install the app from Shopify App Store or from our website. Just hit this here, install on Shopify. It will guide you through the same page, and then go to the settings. So here just explanation about the display and logic, and we'll go to directly to the code settings. If your company have a specific format, you can just change it here how you want to present the codes. So I don't have something specific right now. I'm just gonna keep it like this: qt, year, and numbers. So it's gonna start counting like code 1 2 3 4 5 and etc. I will hit save it and we'll go to PDF. Just your store name or company name. Just add your logo through upload or the URL of your logo, and just hit save. So it will show on the PDF generation. Notifications here. This is the first email where all the leads will come to. So it will go to this email right there. So that always this email always will receive the leads. Team members, if you have two, three, four, or more team members, you can assign lead to them. To do so, you have to add them as a team member, and it's gonna work as a rotation. So each new lead will be sent to salesman one, and the next lead will be sent to salesman two, and etc. So it's a queue. Each one will receive a lead, and will keep rotate like that. Hit save if you configure this correctly, and go to your email provider. So there is three ways to send emails through the app. You can use our domain name addtoquote.com. Just leave it as it is, default app built in. Or you can connect with your Gmails or Outlook, Microsoft email. So the app will send all the communication email, quotes, request, and confirmation emails to the customer through your email, whether it's Gmail or Outlook. Just very simple. Just hit connect to Gmail, log in with your Gmail, and you got the same thing for Microsoft. Then hit save. Custom CSS is for more advanced users. They wanna full control over the layout outside the front end. So if you know what you are doing, yeah, you can do it. You have examples here and CSS references here. And yeah, integration. So integration, the app will integrate with Shopify Flow automations. We will we'll see that in different videos. Outbound webhooks. So you can basically send whatever leads you are getting to any external services, CRM, ERP, you name it. Just very simple. Just add your endpoint here, call it whatever you want to call it, and what kind of data or when it's gonna fire. It's in a code created, state change, convert to a draft order, or delete it. Notification, very simple. You can just receive to your phone a notification that a new lead request or anything like that. Just add it to whatever channel you like, platform. Telegram, for example, added your bot token, chat ID, and labels. Very simple stuff. Microsoft Team webhooks, Discord, also the same, and Slack. You just add it whatever channel you are using. When is gonna fire? Like when created a new lead or something else. Just check these buttons here if you need them, and just add channel. And yeah, this is for the settings. Hello and welcome. So in the last video we go through all the settings. Let's go right now and customize the theme to make the AddToQuote app works in the theme. And we can hide the price, we can add the icon there. So here we have two things. The app itself, you have to enable it. Go there, hide cart icon, which is this one here. If you want to hide it, you can do that. It's gone. I'm gonna let it back again. Hide add to cart button. So in each item there is add to cart, right? So if I want to hide them, just simply I can I can do that from here. I don't want to do that right now. I just want to keep them. I'm just assuming that you are will have both of them, shown. So quote icon and header. If you want to add a quote icon here injected, that will work in the newer themes. I'm not sure about your theme, but if you want to do that, you can just show it. So all the quotes will go here. But we do have an easier way to do it. I will show you right now. And yeah, this is the configuration for this icon injected. So you have to create a page for it. We'll go through this in different videos. So I have everything I need here to be correct, and I have to the easier way to show the code it's by the pop-up widget. So just I'm gonna enable it. It's gonna show right there. I'm just gonna make sure from the colors if I need to change anything. Header, yeah, I'm gonna change it to this color. Buttons, I'm gonna change it to this color as well. And I can hide the price in this here. So this here will show all the coded item. If I want to hide the price even from these items, I can just do that just by enable this button here. And yes, so I need to save everything, and we're gonna use this. So we have our app, it's open, and now the last things to do is to add the button. So to do so, you just click here anywhere and go to your product information, add the block, apps, add the button. It's up, I need it to be down, so I will drag it a little bit to be here. I'm gonna change its color from the right panel first, just a little bit of styling. I'm just gonna save it. Now if you want to hide the price for each item that you have, you can just simply click the button to see the styling tab and just go to the price hiding, and you're good. I'm gonna leave the price right now, and I'm gonna save it. Saved. So I'm gonna view it. Yeah, so I have my item, my example products. I have my add to cart button, and I have my cart mini pop-up. So let's say this is a customer come here. He want to add like 50 items, and he need to get a code for these items. So just simply he will add the whatever quantity he need. He click add. You have here 50 items, and he can continue through the process to add his information. You can control these here field from the app settings, which is right there, form builder. Now I have all the field excuse me, I do have all the fields on. I don't need all of that. Yeah, we have file attachment, notes, country, zip code, state, city, street, all of that. I'm just gonna for this demo, I'm just gonna reduce the field and hit save configurations. Go to my code page again. I'm just gonna refresh. Check out request a code. Yes, two things here. So the name, customer name, Mr. Customer, and his email address is AddToQuote.com. Submit request. Code been submitted correctly. It's number 3 in this store, and let's go to see the CRM. Hello and welcome. So today we'll learn how we can show our codes in one icon or one destination better than 3. So we do have 3 ways to show the icons. The add to code icons that where all the item will be there. We have the one in the header. It is injected to the header next to your add to cart, the cart icon, and user icon. We have a standalone one. If you need it to, you can drag it, put it whatever you want. And we have the pop-up right there. This one here, it's it will work on all themes basically. It will never have issues, to work with any kind of themes. These two here is gonna be different a little bit, depend on your theme and your model of Shopify. If you have the newer themes or the old ones, so that's why we give three kind of solution to make sure that your process and operation work perfectly. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna just use this one here and let's see how it will work. So I need obviously to take this out. I'm just gonna remove it. And for this here, the pop-up here, I need to hide it. To do so, I will go to the app. This section here, the pop-up, I'm just gonna turn it off and it's gonna go. I'm gonna keep this here. I'm gonna save. Excuse me, I'm gonna keep the injected icon there. So I need to create a page for this icon in order to make it work. So the page will be here. You have to put the link here, and the way to do so, you just have to go to your Shopify. You go to your pages and just create any simple page. So it's visible, and I will save it, and I'm gonna view it. We have our page. We need to edit it from the theme editor, and this page needs two blocks. The first one, it's the product list, and the second one is gonna be the form. And yeah, that's it for this page. I'm just gonna put the form down. That's much better. I'm gonna save it, view it again. I will take this link here from the slash. I'm gonna copy it, Control V, then go to my app. Make sure to select this one, the AddToQuote embedded app, and I'm gonna put it right there. I can change the icon if I want, something else, and it's look like a quote icon. So what happened is that when I click this icon, is gonna guide me to that page where I can see the item list and the submit the form. Yep. So it's just to redirect to this page, the quote page. You can obviously change this, you can style it, you can change the colors, change the form field from the app itself. So I'm just gonna you can hide the price, you can do a lot of things. So I'm just gonna submit so I get my code request. I have 7 items. It is very simple. I can assign it to other sales person and so both icons, the one here and the one here, are acting the same. You just have to link them to the one of the pages. To the page you have to add the product list and form as we done before, and yeah. It's gonna work. Because if you want to style it, you can just do you can hide the price on the form itself. There's a price, and you can change it. You can style it as much as you like. get your quotes directly. And that's it. Thank you. Welcome. So you receive your first quotations, and it will show here in your dashboard and your funnel that you have a new deal, and what is the item quantity, and the volume for it for $50,000. And yeah, so you have the customer here. You just go to the CRM, and let's say you start, working, you and your sales team, with the deal. You can assign it to different salesperson. Immediately you will receive a, request that, he been assigned it for this. So you can change the customer information from here. You can add it, shipping address if you want to for the customer. And you can change, or add items to the quote from here, right there. You can just add, just search the item and just add it, and just save it. You can add internal note, attachment, if there is any attachment, and just you can simply just create a draft order. Now, draft order, it is mean that it's not invoice yet. It's just a draft order that you can create. You can send it from the CRM itself, but right now I am in demo store. It's not gonna show or work because this need a live store in the production. But anyway, so you create the draft order, you win the deal from quote to win. You can change it. Obviously, you can have as much deals as you want. You can, give it stars rating if you want to, and go to your draft order. In your draft order, you can just do the same thing. You can just send it as an invoice, mark as paid, collect the payment, change the quantity if you want to, reduce the quantity for any, 100 or 500, edit the customer information, add tags, show the code number and code ID if you would like to. So just, excuse me, just change the whatever you want to change, payment due date, set up a payment reminder. So it will AddToQuote app. It's built over Shopify, so it's use its own order system and billing system, so you don't get stuck with anything. You just save it, and you good. You can just send invoice. It's not gonna work because I'm in demo store. I don't have a checkout because I'm in the demo store, but yeah, that's how to create a draft order. Hello and welcome. So you create your first deal, and you want $50,000, and you create your first draft order in the last video. And in this video, we're gonna explain this page. So simply, this page is it's a way to view the codes different from the CRM columns here, right? So it's gonna be a list view. You can just sort them if you want. A new one, because we have one only, one which is one, we win it. So that's the one here, and this is all the code. You can search by code number, email, or name or email, and you can delete it, download it as a PDF if you want. Obviously, if you upload your logo, and it will show it there, right here. And yeah, so you can review it if you want, and this is the same lead that we convert to draft order, then we send invoice, and it show all the stages right there. So your timeline is here, what happened from the day it's been created. Added note, you can add a note here, to view if there is any attachment that the lead sent to you through the form. Is gonna be right here. Shipping address, you can edit it, assign it to different person, different sales team member, and edit the information. So that's how it's this page work. It's just a different view of the CRM. It's just like a table, so you can go through your leads, search for them if you like to use this page. And yeah. Hello and welcome to AddToQuote Shopify app tutorials. Today we're gonna learn about the product options. So product options is different from variation. In variation, you pre-select items, variation. So for example, color, black, red, white. So that's it. What you will offer to the customer. So they don't see different options than whatever you select. In the product options, you can leave this field empty. They can choose whatever colors they like. They can put text, upload logos, upload images. Select specific date and time, and it's come very handy for a lot of industry like furnitures, machines, and different things. Some industry have one item, but this item can be customized in, for example, 200 different shapes or colors or configurations. So and it doesn't make any sense to put all of these configurations in one item in Shopify variation. It's always better to allow to the customer or buyer to add their input. And today we're gonna see how we can do that with the AddToQuote Shopify app. So first things, you have to create sets. So I have a store that have furniture, and it have like table, sofas and stuff. And I'm gonna start by creating sets. Sets, it's a group of options that specific for specific item that it can be attached or assigned to a specific items. So I have a tables. Let's do tables. Tables, create. And I'm gonna add my products that I want to show these specific options on. So I have the table here, and I'm gonna add the custom fields. Custom fields can be anything. So for example, I'm gonna the types is right there in this drop down. So you have all kind of types. You can play with it. It depends on your business and your needs. So for me, I'm just because for the sake for this demo, I'm just gonna add what color you would like. The other options, it might be text area, you know, any comments. I'm gonna add another field. I will call it. It's gonna be drop down. Size, small, large, small, medium, large. I'm gonna add another field. Let's see. Check both. Do you need free shipping? Another box. Let's do color picker. So always you can make it the field is required, so they cannot complete the thing except this being selected correctly. So added more field, file upload your logo. Upload your logo. Let's try images. I can do image drop down, image box, checkbox. Let's do image checkbox this time. Fabric color. Just to add, I have 4 images ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna upload 4 different colors. Obviously, the table doesn't have any fabric, but just like it's dummy data. So here you can change the names. You can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna like the color brown, teal, yellow, beige. And I'm gonna add more one field. Let me do heading options. That's look that's look good. I've added as much as I can. Obviously, it just example doesn't the table doesn't have all of these options. I'll just add one more, date and time. Let's call it delivery, date and time. We'll save it. Make sure always to save what changes you are doing. Very important. So let's go and see our table right now. So we have our table and we have all the options. So it's very important because this is I just before the video I put it there. So you have to put this block here so it can be visible and you know you can see it. You have to put a block called product options. So this the way to do it is just you go to your product information and just added the block, added product option widget. You have to just edit it, and you know you can drag it, put it wherever you will like before the price. You know, it just you change the position for it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is right now. I'm gonna back here. So I have my item here. I have all the information there. So I'm just you know this field can be anything. So you can imagine what you can do with this. Size small, yes. Color picker you can you know unlimited unlimited way to have colors. You know customer can choose the specific colors. Upload logo. I'm just gonna add the dummy item, dummy image, and I'm gonna select these options, the fabric colors and date of time of the delivery. I'm gonna add it to quote. It's right there. It's hidden by the theme editor banner, but it's all the information supposed to be here. Yes. So all the information will go with the quote itself. So that's that will be nice to see in the CRM. So customer will add submit. Let's see it in the CRM. Here we have the new lead. Let's assign it by rotation to salesman number 2. Let's assign it to salesman number 1. Obviously, you know about this here, all the information. So here the product, the price, and all our options are right there. So I'm just gonna make small change. I'm gonna put this 200 and the price 200, and I'm gonna save it. My code is getting bigger and more expensive. I'm gonna create a draft order. I cannot view it right now or send invoice because this is demo store. It's not a real store with checkout. Let's see our draft orders. Yep. So everything correct. The price update, the quantity, all my information are right there. Everything works as it's supposed to work. And my code that just generated around $50,000, $40,000. Just for the record, so when the customer upload like a logo or so, you just can simply just open this link here in a new tab or so to see it, so you can see the logo or the image that you know we uploaded. To be saved in our data, so it will not go anywhere. So obviously you can change here, you know, make it a win, and your pipeline will be updated automatically. And let's back to the options. So what is beautiful about that, you can have specific options for a specific product. What I mean by that is that we put options for the table, but if we go to another item like the sofa here, it should be empty, and yes, it's empty. So because we don't assign a set for the sofa, or a product option for the sofa. Now I can combine both of them in one set if I need. Just there is no. Here is the sofa. Yes, let's do it. And it's saved. Option saved. Let's refresh. Yes, it's right there. Let's remove it. It's removed. Let's refresh. Gone. So what I can do also, I can just, for this example, I'm gonna add another set. I will call it sofa, which is gonna have obviously different options. So I'm gonna add sofa here quickly. I'm just gonna add color swatch, colors. I can change the colors. Looks similar. Let's change here, and I can add more field. I can add more colors, of course, like can add to toggle. I will add more fields. Select drop down. I don't know what option custom text. I love you. I miss you. I don't know, just I'm making up things here. So our sofa is should start yeah, showing options. Yeah, so I have the colors that I select. I have 10 years warranty. I love you. AddToQuote here. So your item is ready with the correct colors, warranty or toggle, and your custom text. And yeah, I think you guys get the options, how it works. You get the idea. Both of them gonna be have different options in one store, so that's very cool. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you.